Good morning, welcome to Moneyline. Today we have a lot of football games going on, being Sunday, the 25th day of February 2024, and these are today's predictions. Today I've selected a different option from what we usually play. So today I'm giving out the second half um, over goals or team to score at least a one goal or three goals in the second half. So okay, these are the games. The first game we have here is a game in Denmark where AGF Aarhus is taking on Michelin, and my prediction here is to score one to two, three goals in the second half. Then the next option we still have here is a game between Olympic Marseille taking on Manpila, and my prediction is same option, one to three goals in second half. Then the next game we have is a game between Milan taking on Atalanta, and my prediction is same option, one to three goals in second half. Then the next game we have is a game in Turkey where Istanbulspor is taking on Besiktas Istanbul, and my prediction is same option. Then we move on to Scotland where Motherwell is taking on Celtic. Same option, one to three goals in second half. Then we move to Portugal where Rio Ave is taking on Sporting. Same option, one to three goals in second half. Then the next game we have is still in that Portugal where Gil Vincent Barcelona is taking on Porto, and my prediction is same option, one to three goals in second half. Then still in that Portugal league, we have Benfica taking on Portimonense, one to three goals in second half. For those people who don't understand what this option is, just use the booking code and load this game. This option simply means that in this game there will be at least one goal or one to three goals in second half, meaning that they will score one goal or they will score three goals in second half. But if they don't score at all, this game will spoil. If they score more than three goals in the second half, this game will spoil. But we don't pray for that. We want to win. So that's why I give this option. I believe they will score at least one goal or three goals in the second half. Then the next option we have is a game between Olympiacos taking on Asteras Tripoli in Cyprus. And my prediction here is one to three goals in second half. If you want to join our VIP and win daily, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. Chat me up on WhatsApp. We don't share free games on WhatsApp. We only share free games here on Facebook and YouTube. Okay, moving on, we have a game between Panathinaikos again taking on PAOK Thessalonica. Is still in uh, Cyprus League, and my prediction is same option. They move on to Czech Republic where FC Slavoko is taking on Sparta, and my prediction is same option, one to three goals in second half. Then we move on to Belgium Premier League where Club Brugge is taking on Anderlecht, and my prediction here is same option. We move on to still in that Belgium league, again between Union St. Gilloise taking on Standard Liège, same option. Still in that same league, Belgium Premier League, we have a game between Gent taking on Royal Antwerp, and my prediction is same option. We move on to France where Toulouse is taking on Lille, and my prediction is same option. Then we have a game still in that France where Nice is taking on Clermont Foot. Same option, one to three goals in second half. Please hit the like button and share this video with your friends, and also share with us where you're watching us from in the comment section. And you can as well drop your own today's predictions in the comment section. Thank you. Moving on, we have a game between Real Madrid taking on Sevilla in the Spanish La Liga, and my prediction is one to three goals in second half. Still in Italy, we have a game between Lecce taking on Inter, and my prediction here is one to three goals in second half. Still in that same Italy, we have a game between Cagliari taking on Napoli, and my prediction is same option, 1 to 3 goals in second half. Then we have a last game between Juventus taking on Frosinone, and my prediction here is 1 to 3 goals in second half, and that gives us a total of 20 matches, a total of 132 odds. And if you stake 1,000 naira with this game, you win 240,000 naira, 249,000 naira with 1,000 naira stake. So I'll book this game, and I wish you guys good luck, and also remember to bet responsibly. I'll see you guys after the game. Thank you for listening, and thank you for watching. I will see you guys again tomorrow.